Hello from Little Paws of Iowa. Here's a litter of mini F1b Goldendoodles. This is Allie and Henri's litter. These puppies were born October 16 and they will be 8 weeks on December 11. This is the candy shop litter with 6 males and 1 female. Here is our only female, Sweet Tart, with a yellow daisy scarf. Here we have Skor with a brown striped scarf, 2.6 pounds. And he's starting to show a good amount of curl in his head and face, and all of them get more curly as they mature. And this is Skittles with the green dot scarf. Here we have Toffee with a green plaid scarf, another male. And he is one of the bigger males in the litter, 3.0 pounds. This is Smartie, 2.4 pounds with a dark gray scarf, a male. Here is Twizzler, 3.0 pounds, the tan plaid scarf. He is another one of the bigger males in the litter. And then we have Tootsie with a silver scarf, another male, 2.7 pounds today. The very fun litter of Goldendoodles. It's kind of fun to watch all the new things that they're learning and doing. But yet they spend a lot of time sleeping every day. So we have availability in this litter. So you can check our website, littlepawsiowa.com. for more information, and also be sure to check our training and delivery options. Thank you.